Today, we're stepping back in time to explore the oldest houses in Lahore, Pakistan. Get ready to discover the hidden gems and architectural marvels that tell the story of this ancient city. Here, and I'm excited to take you on a journey through Lahore's oldest houses. Let's dive into the rich history and unique architecture of these fascinating homes. Host walking through the narrow lanes of the old city with various historic houses visible. Now, let's take a closer look at the architectural features of these historic houses. Many of them showcase a blend of Mughal, Sikh, and colonial architecture, reflecting the diverse influences that have shaped Lahore over the centuries. Preserving these historic houses is crucial to maintaining Lahore's cultural heritage. Let's take a look at some of the restoration efforts underway to save these architectural treasures. That wraps up our journey through Lahore's oldest houses. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the rich history and architectural beauty of this ancient city. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.